Hello and welcome to Dhyeya IAS. Welcome to a captivating journey through the history and the cosmos. In this video, we'll explore the innate human drive to explore and excel, from the rivalry between Scott and Amundsen to the ethical frontier of the outer space. Our story begins in the early 20th century when a British naval officer, Robert Scott, and Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen embarked on daring expeditions. Both aimed to reach the poles, with Amundsen setting his sights on the North Pole but eventually shifting to the South Pole due to dubious claims by others. On December 14, 1911, Amundsen's team reached the South Pole 34 days ahead of Scott's team. The Antarctic plateau was renamed in honor of King Haakon VII. Tragically, Scott and his team perished during the journey, a poignant reminder of the perils of the exploration. Over time, nations staked claims on Antarctica. Today, it serves as a hub of scientific research and international collaboration. The Antarctic Treaty of 1959 prioritized scientific research and peaceful use of Antarctica, with 54 nations as treaty parties, including India. As technology advanced, a race emerged in the outer space as well, much like the polar race. The moon became the focal point of exploration. Outer space, often referred to as a space or celestial space, denotes the extensive realm lying around the Earth's atmosphere amidst the celestial bodies. Before we go forward, let's understand why we need ethical guidelines for the outer space. Over the past decade, we have witnessed a surge in satellite launches. Only SpaceX has launched nearly 5,000 Starlink satellites in the LEO to date. LEO means the low Earth orbit. In 2013, there were 210 new launches. Fast forward to 2022, and that number has skyrocketed to a staggering 2,470 launches. Leading the charge in the space activities are countries like United States, China, India, and Japan, engaging in manned missions, lunar explorations, and even resource exploitation, including platinum, nickel, and cobalt on celestial bodies. But in between all this, a new issue has loomed in, which is the space debris and its proliferation, which is known as the Kessler syndrome. Before we go forward, let's understand what is Kessler syndrome. The Kessler syndrome, as proposed by NASA scientist Donald Kessler in 1978, envisions a scenario in which the density of objects in the LEO becomes so high that collision between objects trigger a cascading effect. Each collision generates space debris, raising the risk of more collisions. This could potentially hinder the space exploration. Let's revisit to the original topic and explore India's role in shaping ethical standards in the outer space. The Moon Agreement of 1979 echoes the principles of the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, promoting peaceful lunar explorations and environmental preservation. India's Chandrayaan-3 mission success reflects its commitment to space exploration, but it should lead in defining the Moon's role as a partner with Earth. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's acknowledgement that Chandrayaan-3's success belongs to all of humanity is commendable. India can champion a declaration on fundamental rights for outer space with a strong emphasis on non-militarization. Although in 2019, India conducted an anti-satellite test, joining the ranks of United States, Russia, and China. But the ASAT weapon is meant to act as a deterrent, and India must uphold ethical guidelines for activities beyond Earth. Charting this ethical frontier, India has the opportunity to set an example for responsible lunar exploration. Ensuring that outer space remains a realm of peace and cooperation is crucial for the future of our planet and generations to come. From the icy expanses of Antarctica to the boundless reaches of the outer space, humanity's quest for exploration and cooperation continues. Let's embrace this shared journey into the cosmos, guided by the moral compass that points towards the stars. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.